Hello guys, today we are going to see how to download the research paper which is not available free on internet sources. So let us assume I want to find a research paper with the name. I am going to type some name into this search bar. Advancement in battery vehicles research paper of Science Direct. So now after putting this name of the paper into Google, the very first result I am going to get over here, and I have to download this paper. So I am clicking on this link. So over here you can see the paper could be seen over here. Its abstract could be seen actually, and some of the keywords are actually shown over here. And if you want to download the full text, you have to log in into Science Direct account, and if it is elsewhere journal, you have to log in into elsewhere journal, and after that they are asking for some money. So what we have to do is, so for each paper there is some DOI link. So over here you can see this is DOI link. Whenever we are taking cursor on this one, you can see it is getting highlighted. So what we have to do is we have to copy this part of DOI link. So we have to copy the part from 10. So you can see this much part I have copied. So you have to copy this part, right click over here, click on copy, then after that open new tab, and then go in website called sci-hub.se, and after that press enter. You will see the home page of this Science Hub website. Then whatever part we have copied, okay, we had copied this part. You can see this is a blue highlighted part which we had copied, and this part we have to paste into this search bar. And after pasting this one, you have to click on open. And after clicking on open, you can see the paper which is paid in your Science Direct journal is completely freely available on this website. So now you can again go into this site and you can check the name of paper: analysis of research and development trend of battery technology in electric vehicle with the perspective of patent. And similar name is over here: analysis of research and development trend of battery technology in electrical vehicle with perspective of patent. Even you can see the name of author also. You can see some Chinese names are there: Quan Qin Zhang and Kunjin Li. Over here you can also see Quan Kian Chang and Kunjin Lee. Okay, and after that you can click on download. If you wish to download this paper, you can click on this download button. This paper will be downloaded. You can save the copy of the paper as per your requirement. You can click on save. The paper will be downloaded. Over here now you can see the paper is downloaded. The size of the paper is 1 point something MB, and you can open the paper from here also. The same paper is completely made available freely on this site. Thank you guys. For more information videos, you can comment in comment box. Like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.